Ooh, look at that. Hey, hey, it's moving. It's moving. You see it moving. Ladies, how are you? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. You girls, you know, well, I've been working out, just being very busy. But today I said I'm in the mood. The energy was right, and I said I'm gonna shoot this for YouTube. All right, I'm in my basement, a little workout area. Okay, I turned my basement into a little half of my basement into a workout area because your girl is in it. I'm in it hard, hard. Okay, and based on this title, I have some juice for you. Yes, ladies. So take notes and let's go. So I gained weight since the COVID. I gained so much weight, and I had to get some help. You know, every coach, every trainer needs a coach and a trainer, and I have someone who's just telling me what to eat and just really breaking down nutrition for me and really showing me how to perform exercises to really target what I want, to get what I want out of my body. And ladies, it is showing. I am now into weight training. I am training my weight. I've lost this 12 pounds with weight training and very little cardio, high protein diet, low carbs, very little fat diet, and it is amazing. I already see a difference in my upper body, like my shoulders is not hunched, it's nice and firm and standing straight. My stomach is tight. My booty is getting rounder and tighter. My skin, ladies, high protein diet, okay? Focus on your nutrition. Nutrition is what's driving this whole journey. Your journey right now to gain weight, to lose weight, to build muscle, to tone. Nutrition is your number one factor. Master that. Learn that and then dive into the workout. It'll make sense. I promise you, okay? You will see the difference. But I've been weight training and I noticed how it's changing my body. It's making me stronger. It's really firming up these backs. This was worse, guys. It was so bad. My inner thighs, oh my God, ladies. I'm just much better now. It's been a few weeks and I'm still going hard. It is hard. It is hard. It's not easy. Weight training and getting your mind to do these things is not easy. You have to just want it. And you have to say, I'm not going to stop because I need to see this result. I'm giving myself 6 to 12 weeks and I need to see results. And that's where, that's how I started. And so it's amazing. If you're not into weight training or strength training, you are missing out. That is how your booty will grow. You need to strength train, okay? You know why your booty is growing? I discovered why. Mine took a while to grow. My booty was really flat and it just started getting more rounder and really started firming up a little bit. And that's because, are you ready? Because I'm about to give you the secret. Ladies, you're not connecting with your booty. You're not focusing on your booty when you are squatting, when you're deadlifting. Whatever activity you're doing for your booty, you're not focused on that booty. I can promise you. I can promise you, okay? For many years, I've been just squatting. I've just been squatting, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, just squatting. No real focus, nothing. And I'm looking at other people. If I'm in a class, I'm just staring at the instructor, trying to keep up. Bull. You are not doing nothing, ladies. You're not doing nothing because you're not really connecting with your booty. It is a whole routine. All right, so I understand now when they say butt day and leg day, it makes sense to just isolate that day, to focus on that day, okay? It makes sense. You need to mentally be prepared for your booty day. And when I say mentally prepared, you're gonna go to the gym or home, whatever it is. You're gonna put on your outfit, get your gear together, put on your music, and you are focusing on that butt. The only thing on your mind for that moment is your butt, nothing else. It is important, all right? And you will feel it. If you're not feeling your squats, your deadlift, your hip thrust, you're not doing it right. If you're not walking like, you're not doing it right, okay? It's a connection. You need to connect with your butt. You need to connect with your booty. Really engage your butt. When you are going down, you have to really, this is what was taught to me because I was doing it wrong. I was just going down and up, not really focusing. But when I started connecting my mind and my butt, really pushing my tailbone out like this, like you need to feel your butt arch that back and then bend over and squeeze and come down. It's a connection. It's a connection. You have to mentally connect with that booty. You have to focus on yourself when you are deadlifting. You have to focus on when you are poking your booty out, okay? And you're going down. You're going down. You have to still focus on that booty. You have to squeeze it going down, like contract it somehow, and bring it back up and still have it contracted, and tuck in the pelvic and still have it contracted. And you have to do several of those, several. And you have to do that with weights. Do you see what I'm saying? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So booty day is the very important day. If you want to see a change in your booty, you really have to connect with her. You know, it's a lot of work. It is. It's such work. But you can do it. It's mind and booty connection. Mind and arm connection. You want to get rid of this? You got to connect with your arms. You got to contract. You see I'm contracting? I'm contracting because this is loose, and you contract. Contract and focus on that arm. Don't hurt yourself. Be careful because you can hurt yourself. But contract that area. The area you want to focus on, you have to connect with it. Your stomach. Hold your stomach in and connect and keep it contracted. Don't think about nothing else. You got to get through this contraction. You got to get through the booty. You know, you can't think of nothing else. So I'm going to show you how I deadlift and how I squat now compared to before, so you can get a better understanding and how serious this is, ladies. If you don't get nothing out from this video, please connect with your booty. Learn to connect mind and booty. You will see a difference. And stack up on the proteins. Protein shakes, protein is your friends. Okay, ladies? Try it. Let's try it. Let's build the booty. Mind, muscle connection. Speak to her. You gotta talk to her, girl. Like, you gotta talk to her. And she will get there. All right? But don't forget, nutrition first. Get that on point. Get the science down. And then connect with the booty. Right? And girl, I feel it. Yeah, like, feel it. Let me show you what I do. All right? Enjoy, sit back. Don't forget to like and subscribe.